COVID-19, one of the most horrible diseases at this century. How to reduce the risk? Wash hand, wash hand, wash hand, wash hand, and wash your hand. But how to wash it properly? Well, I came up with this idea and I'll show you how to make it. Let's grab an Arduino Uno. And we need a button, some cables, LCD display, a resistor, and a breadboard. First thing first, let's build the circuit. Firstly, put the 5-volt port on Arduino Uno to the plus sign on the breadboard and ground to the minus sign. Then connect the button to the breadboard and connect it with a cable to resistor. Take a cable and connect it into the digital input on port 3. Actually, this port is up to you. Then connect it into the breadboard next to the resistor. Don't forget to put an LED to the port 13 and to the ground for the button indicator. This is optional. Next component is LCD display. I use I2C connector. There are 4 connectors that we have to connect to the breadboard. GND or the ground to the minus sign, VCC to the 5-volt or the plus sign, SDA to the analog input A4, SCL to the analog input A5. Voila! Well done! We have finished the circuit part. Now we jump to the coding part. We have to initiate a few variables. A library called liquid crystal for the LCD display, a variable for pin button number, which is on port 3, and please adjust if you have different port, a LED pin on port 13, liquid crystal variable, a variable called take water, which will indicate the timer for rinse time, a take soap variable which will indicate the timer of washing hand with soap, and lastly is stage. We have 3 stages to washing hand. First, take water. Second, take soap, and the third is rinse. On the setup function, we have to initiate the pin mode, which are the button and the LED, and print text on the LCD display. And on the loop part, we will try to catch the input signal from the button. If the user press the button, it means start the process and show the text get ready for 2 seconds. By pressing this button, the stage variable value will change to 1, which means it starts the first stage and will be moved to the second and the third stage until it idle again. Every stage will show different text. The last part is testing. Let's upload the coding to the Arduino and let's try.